Hey everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video I will show you how to set X and Y axis in Excel. So I have a small data in my sheet. Now I want this to be displayed in a chart. So first what I am going to do is select the column. Now I will go to the Insert tab. Here I will see this line or area chart. I'll just click on this button and click on any chart that I prefer. So now that I have a chart, I can resize it with this icon. Now, if I want to change the values, then I can just right click on it and click on select data. Now you will see this dialog box. Here you need to click on edit, and now you need to set the name of the series and set its value. That's how you basically add a XY axis in your Excel. Thank you guys for watching. For more tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe.